Hi, the Riz here from DS All-in-One Solution. We are here by the 11th floor. It's Gauteng Province, office of the MEC. This is for the government place. We did install the camera system. We did install for the access control biometrics, MacLog, for the networking, everything. So like. It's like once year ago, yeah, I think like last year, once 1 year ago. Since today is like 2nd of May 2023. Okay, this is emergency door. Yeah, right. So we put, if is anybody open this door, you see, they can making noise. This is we put the siren and we put the door contact. So this is not like an alarm. This is just like making noise only. So this is for the door contact. You see, when they break the contact, like the circuit, then it's gonna make the noise. So everything we are busy for the removing out, because this is it's like renting. You see here was a keypad, everything we are removing. There is MacLog we did install. Now we are taking out everything. Here was a camera system, was a screen, TVR, everything is on this room. So we are gonna close it back, everything how it was before. So this is for the camera cables. Here's cameras, access control, video intercom. Here was the camera also, we remove it. And this is for the boardroom. See. Here's the MacLog was here. So this is like a contract, like, so 1 year contract. So the contract is finished. So we did install. Now the contract is finished. Now we are taking out everything and we're gonna be installed for somewhere else. So this is all the DS did it. The access control, video intercom, the cameras, alarm, everything.